Before I found you, I would classify myself as in severe pain, constant, all the time, day in, day out, trouble sleeping, etc. And then I felt just like in my like hip joint, like something wasn't like it was like stuck, like it
Yeah.
wasn't moving right. And so it was almost like a grinding feeling. So I would go try and do a dog walk, and
Mhm.
I basically could go like less than 5 minutes and come back. And I could not go on the inclines. I couldn't step up because of the pain in my backside, like right at my hip, my sit bone, like that, right where the hamstring and the glute meet, like in there. I had pain driving, same in that same area. It was truly awful. I don't recommend that existence for anyone. It's just everything raises to a level of just anxiousness and fear constantly because you know that really anything, even the basics of getting out of bed and walking down the hallway hurt. So I had gotten to the point where I could barely do anything. I could hardly drive. It was very difficult to do errands, just any household chores, basic, like cooking, just standing there to cook, emptying a dishwasher, like very basic daily living activities. I was in severe pain. So I found you, and at that point, it was like right around the holidays, and I traveled to visit family, and it was awful. It was such a horrible trip as far as like getting there, flying and squirming in my seat and trying, just like putting on like all these heat patches to try and like just survive, taking medicine, a lot of medicine. By the time we actually got there, I just burst into tears and basically had to take muscle relaxers the whole holiday just to sleep, much less be out of pain. During the day, I would take Advil and it, I survive, but that's not how I want to live. I want to thrive. This is my life. Like it's only going to get worse because I'm going to get older. So when I got back, my husband and I talked, and we are like, I have to do something different. I mean, gosh, I have tried everything. I tried like isolated programs for like, I would self-diagnose like, my glutes are the problem. They have glute amnesia or whatever that people say now is like, your glutes are asleep. So I'm like, oh, that must be it. And so I would do this like glute program and get into it and end up getting worse. um,
Yeah.
or I would try, pelvic floor exercises. I would do core, but all kind of in like a haphazard, isolated, not organized program. I, of course, was taking a lot of medicine, a lot of frequent Advil, and sometimes Aleve. I had physical therapy. I found you on Facebook. And I did the whole thing of like, I don't know, like, is this legit, and all this stuff. And then I went and found you on, I think it was Instagram, and I was kind of looking at some of your videos. I was on the plane coming home watching your Instagram stuff to kind of be like, okay, like, does she really know what she's talking about? Well, obviously your focus on women and what they go through was appealing because, you know, a lot of, physical therapists are men, or I even had a female physical therapist, but it has that kind of mindset of just, fixing the problem. And like I said, I kind of got better, but then I didn't. So I'm like, well, wait, I need something more, like comprehensive and like really personalized, acknowledging that, having babies, having C-sections, having accidents and all the things that women go through, hormones and, and our mental part of it. I felt like you would address that. And then, I mean, obviously, like, I liked you, like, your personality, you have the combination of like professionalism and real knowledge base, but with a warm demeanor and a like a hopeful positioning where you're like, this is why this is happening, and we can get it. We can get you better. And I was like, oh my God, because a lot of people tell you like, oh, well, I mean, that's just getting older, or, oh yeah, you might need a hip replacement someday. And I'm like, what? Like, no. Well, I'm not in constant pain. I don't have pain anymore. I have here, I'll have kind of like muscle like tweaks, or kind of like sometimes I'll be like, oh, my sacrum feels a little weird or things like that. But I am not like in pain actively, which is like, that's like worth the price of it. I mean, if nothing, that if I had no other benefits, which I did, that was pretty much all I wanted, was just, can you please just get me out of pain and show me how to stay out of pain? And so that is huge. And then I just have more like awareness and like uh knowledge about my body and about bodies in general, and like what goes on and why. And then, and then the confidence to like address things when I do feel like a little off. So I have tools now, whereas before I would have just been like, Advil, and like, oh yeah, I can drive. Yep. Yep. I mean, I haven't gone on like a, multi-hour long trip, but I mean, I couldn't even drive my kid 15 minutes to school. Yeah. That huge piece for me, and kind of like a turning point, was the module on like the mental side of it. And
module 4.
Yes, that for me was huge, because I know you had talked about how a lot of times, like when you get in like a month or so in, and you're kind of like, am I improving? I still feel pain, or maybe I'm getting more pain, or, and so it's kind of like a spot in the program. And for me, it was really pivotal, because I realized and kind of dove deep into that piece of it, that I was like, I think a lot of mine is, has a mental component, an emotional component. So I definitely tell them that you've worked in this specific area, not just like, I know you do PT, just general PT, but like with women in these specific pain states for years, and have really honed this program specifically, like to kind of guide us step by step and build, and not go too far too fast, and to individually respond to each one of us with our specific needs. Like, I mean, I remember one time I reached out because I think I was having kind of a weird feeling in my ankles, a little weakness. And you like sent me right away, like 2 videos on like, okay, try this. And, and so you're very, like responsive to like individual needs within the scope of the program. Every exercise, every module, every like post that you made was almost like exactly what I needed, like at that exact time. Even like the walking module came up, and I was like, oh my God, I totally need this. Like, I need to like make sure I am striking my foot in the right way. Cause I was like, am I walking? I was like, how am I supposed to walk? Like, which is such a dumb question as a 50-year-old woman. You got my trust because of your expertise and your demeanor and everything. But I also like went in with it, like being like, all right, I'm going to trust this person that they can help me. Cause people have talked with a ton of other people who, either said they could help and they didn't, or said like, sorry, there's not much we can do, kind of thing. But you clearly know like women and our minds, and like kind of how we like process. And I mean, I know everyone's different, but some people, we all have those similar, especially if you're in pain, you have those similar like negativity mindsets. We have doubts. We have obviously a lot of fear and skepticism for sure. And then desperation also. So some people are, are like, we'll do anything you say. I would tell people though, that they're considering it, that you have to really like just commit to the full program, and like actually participate, and like doing your exercises, like watching the video. There's a lot of content, and that's not a bad thing. I love it. But there's a lot. And so I think people could get overwhelmed if they're not like, just take off little bites each time and be consistent and show up, because it all builds on itself, and like it all kind of makes